Hey, what's up, everybody? It's your boy Stocks and today we're gonna talk about SoFi, ticker symbol SOFI. We got a fresh update on earnings and what could send the stocks higher or lower. Let's break it down, all right? So the current setup: SoFi just dropped a strong earnings report. They added over 800,000 members, bringing their total to about 10.9 million. All right, they've raised full year guidance. Revenue now is expected to be between 3.2 to 3.3 billion, and an EPS bump up to 27 to 28 cents. Okay, so the stock recently hit $14, then pulled back slightly, but it's still up over 30% this month. So the key question is, are we consolidating or are we ready for a breakout again? All right, so what's the bull case? Here's what could drive SoFi to the upside. One, continued growth. Essentially, they are locking up younger users, adapting to the SoFi platform rapidly. Number two would be major lending partnerships. They just extended a $2 billion deal to Fortress Investment Group. All right. Number three, brand expansion. All right. They teamed up with Kelsey Ballerini in the Tennessee schools on a $2 million Rising Stars initiative that's huge for PR and outreach ultimately. Four is the macro factors. If the Fed hints at a rate cut later this year, loan margins improve, and SoFi essentially they win, right? Needham just raised their price target to $20. That's a potential 45% upside from here. The thing is that SoFi is down about 47% from its high currently. So it's interesting. When it comes to the downside, essentially the overall market, if it pulls back, SoFi isn't immune, especially if the tech gets hit. So there's also short interest in the stock, which means volatility that could spike either way. So while SoFi is a licensed bank, any rise in loan delinquencies or tightening credit conditions could turn into headwinds, right? Also, keep your eye on May 28th, which is the shareholder meeting. Any weak guidance or caution tone could essentially trigger a sell-off, right? So May 28th, I'll be tuned in on that one, and I'll try to get you information on that in a timely fashion. All right. So the trading plan. Here's how I'm watching this trade. $13 zone is a key support. We already know that. Say on my chart side, tag 1357 is where I'm looking for confirmation above to look for longs, and below looking for shorts. But essentially, I'm a long-term bull on SoFi, and I like to swing the plays. So with my targets being 14.50 and then 15.20 towards the upside. The clean break and a hold above $15, that opens the door for $17 and above, right? But if we lose $13 with value, I'm watching for the drop to about $11.80 to $12 as a potential bounce up, okay? As always, man risk and don't chase the move if the setup isn't clear, okay? So if you found this helpful, smash the like button, the subscribe, and then just turn on the notification bell, because at the end of the day, your boy doesn't drop a lot of videos, a lot of content. So when I am posting, it's of relevance in my opinion. I'm not going to be giving you like 4 or 5 videos a day. That's just not who I am. I'm just too busy. Please drop a comment. Let me know. Are you holding SoFi? Are you swinging it? Or are you just watching it, sitting on the sidelines, waiting for your moment? All right. Let's get the money, and I'll see y'all on the next one. All right. Stocks for real. Sacrifice for riches. Take care.